this is what I try to portray to people as much as possible, because a lot of people sit in their homes, don't do anything with their lives in terms of their career, in terms of their relationships, and are very demotivated generally. And they ask themselves why. And the first question they ask is why, and they always go, it's because I'm not interested. It's because I don't have a passion. It's because I don't know what I want to do in life. And to me, that's because they're overstimulating their brains so often and producing so much dopamine during the day and in activities they do, for example, their phone, that when they do perform any sort of hard work, they don't get the dopamine release that they're used to, that they get from their phone, because it's not anything comparable to the internet and to this constant stimulus, which is TikTok and Instagram and these other social platforms.
You're absolutely right. There's nothing further to add to that, apart from a very, very clear message. The evidence is very strong these days. We have non-invasive measures and tools and instruments that help us measure the levels of different hormones and neurotransmitters in the brain during different types of activities. And now we know how serious being dependent is. And being dependent on social media or on porn or on other online activities, it might feel rewarding in the moment, but it's actually impacting seriously on your energy levels and on your motivation to go out there and get real rewards. And I know it's easier to masturbate in front of a computer than to actually chase a girl or a guy and connect with your future partner and invest in them time. But you need to retrain your brain to find that chase rewarding, equally rewarding. Don't fall in the trap of internet porn or social media.